Hey guys, welcome to today's video about beard itch. Let's roll a quick intro and then we'll get into it. Hey everyone, it's me Jamie Cox, owner and founder of OP's Beard Co. Today I'm going to talk to you about beard itch, what causes it and how you can rectify it. But before I do, if you like bearding videos, you want to learn more about bearding, growing a beard, how to care for a beard, anything beard related, why not subscribe, check out some of our other awesome videos and help us out here at the channel. So as I said, I'm Jamie Cox, owner and founder of OP's Beard Co. We specialise in beard care to keep your beard smelling good and feeling good. Now beard itch is something that I get asked about a hell of a lot, nearly every week I would say, and it happens from guys that are just starting to grow their beard. Now, why does it only happen with guys that just start to grow their beard? Why does your beard just itch at the beginning? Well, the answer is it really doesn't. And it's caused by this. Now this, have a guess. What do you think it is? No, it's not a pepperami. This is your hair under a microscope. Now, as you can see, it's been sliced cleanly, which is usually the cause of a very sharp blade, i.e. a razor. And what happens here is, you can imagine how small your hair is and it's sliced at that angle. That's incredibly sharp hair. It can stick into the skin very, very easily. So as you can imagine, when you start to grow your stubble out and you're freshly shaven a week or two before, that hair is still really sharp. So that's going to be sticking into your skin, and that's what causes irritation. Now it can happen when you've got a longer beard. When you trim your beard, if you use a sharp pair of scissors or even a brand new trimmer, this can slice your hair off and make it very sharp, and if you've got an extremely curly beard, it can curl and stick into your face still. So how do you rectify an itchy beard? Well, the answer in actual fact is very, very simple. All you need is a decent product. You need a good beard oil. Now what a beard oil will do is a beard oil will soften the hair and it will condition the skin. So it means the hair's pretty much softer, so it won't stick into the skin, and the skin's a bit more conditioned, so it can actually deal with the sharpness of that hair a bit more. Beard itch won't last forever. It only lasts generally for the first couple of weeks, and then after that the hair sort of starts to split at the end sometimes, or it basically just grows downwards, so it grows away from the skin and it will stop sticking in your face. So if you've got beard itch, get yourself a decent bottle of beard oil and just let it grow. Don't shave it off again and think that next time you grow it, it won't itch, or think it's a skin issue. It's not. As I said, it's the very sharp hair sticking into your very soft skin. So that's pretty much how you cure beard itch. If you enjoyed the video, why not check out some of our other videos? And as I said before, please subscribe. It helps us out here to do what we do best. Thank you very much guys for watching. You take care. See you soon. Bye bye.